everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic performance sedans on the market. The 2021 Mitsubishi Mirage was introduced as a refreshed version of Mitsubishi's long-standing subcompact hatchback, aiming to maintain its reputation as one of the most affordable and fuel-efficient non-hybrid vehicles in North America. Unveiled in January 2020 and arriving in dealerships by early 2021, the Mirage was targeted at budget-conscious drivers seeking low-cost, reliable transportation with minimal maintenance needs. Despite a shrinking subcompact market, Mitsubishi continued to offer the Mirage as a strategic entry point into the brand, with hopes of converting first-time buyers into long-term customers. Mechanically unchanged, the 2021 model retained its familiar 1.2-liter three-cylinder engine paired with either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission (CVT), emphasizing simplicity and efficiency. Limited availability, especially in Canada, highlighted its niche role in the brand's lineup, as dealers balanced existing inventory with the updated model's arrival. The 2021 Mirage received a significant exterior facelift, making it look more modern and aggressive than its previous versions. This is Mitsubishi's signature front-end design, also seen on models like the Outlander and Eclipse Cross. It features a bold black grille flanked by C-shaped chrome or silver trim, giving the Mirage a more assertive presence on the road. Redesigned for a sleeker look, higher trims featured LED daytime running lights, DRLs, for better visibility and style. Front bumper, sharper lines and larger lower air intakes were added to emphasize a sporty character. Base trims came with 14-inch steel wheels with covers, while upper trims, like Say or GT in Canada, featured 15-inch alloy wheels with a new two-tone design. While the Mirage remained compact and upright, the 2021 update added subtle creases along the sides to give it more visual interest. New and vibrant paint colors were introduced, such as sand yellow metallic, a standout, bold yellow tone, white diamond, premium pearl white, infrared metallic and other carryover colors. Updated to include LED elements in a new L-shaped layout, giving the Mirage a more upscale nighttime appearance. Redesigned with a sportier look, including a diffuser-style insert on higher trims, a small rear roof spoiler was available or standard on upper trims, contributing to a sporty aesthetic and slightly improving aerodynamics. While the Mirage's cabin remains focused on practicality, the 2021 model added subtle improvements to materials, technology, and comfort. Simple and straightforward layout with easy-to-reach controls. The design stayed mostly unchanged, but some trims got glossy black accents or carbon fiber style trim. Analog speedometer and tachometer with a small multi-information display in the center for fuel economy, trip data, etc. A new leather-wrapped steering wheel with audio and phone controls was added on higher trims. Base trims had durable cloth upholstery, while upper trims included upgraded premium fabric or contrast stitching. Room for 5 passengers, though realistically best for 4 adults due to limited rear legroom. Manual seat adjustments, no power seats offered. Front seats were generally firm but supportive for short drives. Rear seats offered limited legroom, typical for the class. 60/40 split folding rear bench seats allowed for expanded cargo capacity. Cargo space, 17.1 cubic feet behind the rear seats, up to 47 cubic feet with the seats folded flat, useful for groceries, light luggage, or small moving needs. Infotainment system includes 7-inch touchscreen display, standard on most trims. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility included. Bluetooth hands-free calling and audio streaming. Audio system includes 4-speaker sound system standard. USB port and auxiliary input included. Manual air conditioning standard. Automatic climate control available on higher trims. Keyless entry start, push-button start and proximity key on higher trims, for example, Say or GT. Standard. Rear view camera, 7 airbags, including knee airbag, available. Forward collision mitigation with pedestrian detection. Lane departure warning. Automatic high beams. Performance efficiency features includes prevents the car from rolling backward when starting on an incline. This is especially useful in city or hilly driving with the manual transmission. Tight turning radius, 15.1 feet. The Mirage has one of the tightest turning circles in its class, making it extremely maneuverable in urban environments and tight parking lots. Continuously variable transmission, CVT, with INVIX 3 Mitsubishi's adaptive CVT technology can learn driving patterns and adjust shift logic to optimize fuel efficiency and responsiveness. Low curb weight, (2,095 to 2,162 pounds), helps improve fuel economy and handling. It's one of the lightest cars in its segment. Additional technology convenience features includes cruise control, standard on most trims, useful for highway driving to maintain consistent speeds and improve fuel economy. Eco indicator light displays on the gauge cluster to encourage fuel-efficient driving habits. Fast key passive entry system, upper trims, allows you to unlock the doors and start the engine without removing the key fob from your pocket or bag. Electric power steering, EPS, lighter steering at low speeds for easier parking. Firms up slightly at higher speeds. Intermittent rear wiper with washer. Rear wiper with variable speed and integrated washer spray. Great for rainy or snowy climates. Passive structural safety features. Reinforced impact safety evolution. Rise, body construction. Mitsubishi's body structure design that absorbs and disperses crash energy for better occupant protection. Tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, alerts the driver if tire pressure is too low, which helps improve safety and fuel economy. Engine immobilizer prevents the engine from starting without the correct key. Added theft protection. Other useful bits includes 12-volt power outlet located in the center console for charging devices or powering small accessories. Rear seat reminder. Some regions, alerts the driver to check the rear seat before exiting. Useful to avoid leaving items or children behind. Manual height adjustment for driver's seat helps tailor the driving position, even on lower trims. The 2021 Mitsubishi Mirage was one of the most affordable new cars on the market, making it a strong choice for budget-conscious buyers. In the United States, pricing started at around $14,295 for the base S trim with a manual transmission, while models equipped with the CVT automatic transmission began slightly higher. The mid-level and S trims added more features and tech, bringing the price closer to $16,000 $17,500 depending on configuration. In Canada, the Mirage started at approximately $13,858 Canadian dollars, with higher trims such as the GT reaching just over $18,000 Canadian dollars. Pricing included Mitsubishi's generous 10-year /100,000 powertrain warranty, adding extra value to its already low cost of entry. Taxes, fees, and dealer charges varied by region, but even fully loaded, the Mirage remained one of the lowest-priced new vehicles available in North America for 2021. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon button.